tanghali po sa ating lahat. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa bentahan ng mga recycling. Gagawa po kami ni Kulitis ng, maganda yung Range Rover na yun ng pera, pang gasolina. At nagyaya po sa Ross mamaya. Bibili daw siya ng damit para sa darating na pasukan. Very good. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo paano po magbenta ng recycling dito. Parang Pilipinas. Parang wala ka sa Amerika. Pakita mo yung paligid. Paikot, 360. Yan po yung palengke namin. Katapat lang nung pinagbebentahan ng mga recycling. Ito po ang pinagbebentahan by weight. Big difference sa Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, UK, European Union per piece. Dito po per weight. At sa Canada, aircon ang mga facility, air condition. Here, outside, outdoor. Sa Japan, air condition ng mga facilities. Kaya lalo na pag summer mainit, humihingal na po ako. Kaya maraming ano basa mo doon?
Oh.
Cents? How much?
Like 5.
Oh, 5 cents. 5 cents each. But here in the US, it's not. It's by weight. And they're, they're making a lot of money. Other European nations, Canada, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, it's per piece, not by weight. So if it says 5 cents, 5 cents will gonna go back to you. But here it's not. Pasensya na po kayo, kailangan ko po mag-English kasi may mga puti sa paligid. At alam niyo naman dito, pag medyo nagtagalog kayo, may mag-re-react. And mamaya po, ayun po, tinitimbag na po niyo doon. Maraming ibebenta si Tatang. Laking pera si Tatang. That's a lot of money, eh?
Lot of money, huh?
That's a lot.
For the next 2 years already.
2 years?
2 years.
Oh,
2 years.
Oh my Lord. Dami niyang naipon, oh. That's a lot of money. 2 years daw niyang inipon. Hello, can I have a receipt for number 2?
Yeah. She's with you?
He's blogging me.
Huh? Blogging? Okay.
This is our gasoline station since...
What's up, guys? How you doing? My buddy right here. Follow him, like him.
last 20 years, we're getting our
Nice
gas
guy.
from here.
In America. California.
Yes.
Right.
How long have you been here?
Own this gas station?
Yeah. This is the first time I
10
see
years. I'm the owner.
you. You're the owner.
I'm the owner.
Good job.
Thank you, buddy.
Good job.
Trying to make it clean and nice.
Yeah.
I have 5
You made a lot of nice
changes. Yeah.
I like
bought
it.
5 gas stations in Sacramento. Same time.
You must have a lot of money.
No, it's gone now.
Yeah.
I have it, but it's gone.
Can I have a mega, please? Quick pick, one line. Where's my $5? Where did I put my $5?
Is it in the truck?
Huh?
Is it in the truck?
Oh, I left it in the truck? Okay, cut it. We've been following him for the last 2 years.
Okay.
Singh, the last name is
Singh, yes.
Sarah and Singh.
Sarah and Singh. Oh, yeah. They
The
go to Pakistan and everywhere, yeah.
the lady is Filipina, the guy is Indian. He's
Okay.
rich in India.
Oh, okay.
And I think they're staying in India now.
Okay.
And they have a lot of, they're making a lot of money now.
Really? Vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
That's all. You have a lot of money too.
No, I just started. I am hoping.
You were hoping, okay.
Yeah, but not
No,
really.
it's a good thing. People know
Yeah.
you, people see you. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
I quit my job and
Doing that? Ah!
so
Good.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
What's your name?
Gurvinder.
Gurvinder. I have a friend in Canada, Gurvinder.
Singh is last name mine too. His name is
A
Singh.
lot
of Singh, yeah. Yeah.
I have a friend at VSP in Folsom.
Oh, okay.
Tasvinder Singh.
Jaswinder Singh. Yeah, it's a lot of Vinders.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Gurvinder, Gurvinder.
Yeah. All right. Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
man. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Pati lottery. Nagmahal na. $5 na yung dating $2. Yung dating $1, $2 na ngayon. Kaya yung dati kong binibili na tinatawag ditong jackpot trio na $5, 3 ticket, isa na lang mabibili mo ngayon. Very smart talaga si Trump. Kasi nilagyan ng tariff yung mga papel na pumapasok sa US. Kaya nagtaas ng presyo ang mga lahat ng gumagamit dito ng paper products. Saan ang gagaling ang mga papel na ginagamit? Karamihan imported from Canada. Canada unang tinarget ni Trump. Ayan ang resulta. Tapos sasabihin ni Trump hindi tataas ang presyo ng ano. Kasi kung sino yung country na nag-i-export sila magbabayad. Very smart talaga. Well, kaya ngayon pa isa-isa na lang kami bumili. Dati 3 ticket ng 3 ticket every time na maggagas kami. Ngayon hindi na. Isang ticket na lang once a month na lang. Kasi $5 isang bili. Kung $15 katulad ng less almost $50 a month. Sa pagkain na lang namin dadalhin. At isang beses na lang yung bili ng ticket sa isang buwan. Ito ang para sa month of June ko. Ngayon ko lang binili $5. Maraming salamat kay Donald Trump sa ginawa niya yan. Natutuloy kami magtipid. Yun. Kasi nakita nyo na. Magaling naman niya. Tinuturuan niya magtipid ang mga tao sa US. Kasi dati, bili kami ng lottery. Nagmahal na. Hindi na kami bibili. So, magtitipid kami ngayon. Magaling si Trump. Hey, magkita-kita po ulit tayo maya-maya. Bait. Papauwi na po kami. Yung pong pinagbentahan namin ng recycling. Yun, binigyan ko ng share yung Janakis ko para niya sa pag-video niya sa akin, pagtulong niya. Pabili niya ng damit para sa darating school year. The rest, pinanggas ko. Yung lottery, hoping. At ayan po, stop sign. Yan. Pag may stop sign, titigil kayo. Kahit walang dumadating, titigil kayo, bibilang kayo ng 1, 2, 3, tsaka kayo aabante. Hindi katulad sa atin, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na sige ng sige, Kahit walang stop sign, tigil, check, pasok. Para iwas aksidente. At papauwi na po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na to. Nakita nyo na po kung paano kami gumawa ng pera dito, out of recycling. At nagkita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod na episode. Sana iligtas po ang lahat at ingatan po natin ang bawat isa. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay.